Have you ever pondered the power of your words, especially in the quiet of the morning? Imagine starting each day with affirmations that don't just speak to your mind but resonate deeply within your very being. This is not merely about repeating words but about truly embodying them. The practice I'm about to share can transform your mornings and, in turn, your entire life. It's a simple yet profound exercise that, when think of for a single day, can set in motion the miracles you've been seeking. Each morning holds the promise of a new beginning. As the sun rises, it ushers in a fresh opportunity to align yourself with the forces of creation. By engaging in deliberate, heartfelt affirmations, you are opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. These affirmations are not just positive statements, they are declarations that mold your reality. They are tools to reshape your world, shifting your mindset from limitation to boundless potential. Start by finding a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. It could be a cozy corner of your home or even a tranquil spot in your garden. The key is to create an environment where you can focus without distractions. As you settle into this space, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be holding onto. This process of mindful breathing helps to calm the mind and prepare it for the affirmations ahead. Now, begin with a simple affirmation that resonates with you. For instance, you might say, "I am open to receiving all the abundance the universe has to offer." Feel the words as they leave your lips. Don't just say them, experience them. Allow the meaning of each word to sink into your consciousness. Picture yourself as already embodying this affirmation. Visualize the abundance flowing into your life, touching every aspect of your existence. As you continue with this practice, it's important to remember that belief is a crucial component. Your affirmations should be infused with genuine belief and expectation. If you speak these words with doubt, their power diminishes. But when you truly believe in their truth, you align yourself with the forces that bring these affirmations into reality. It's not about wishing for something to happen, but about acknowledging the reality of what you are affirming. Another powerful affirmation to try might be, "I am worthy of love and joy in every moment." As you say this, focus on the sensation of worthiness filling your being. Imagine love and joy enveloping you, creating a warm, comforting presence around you. This practice of embodying your affirmations creates a vibrational match to what you are declaring, allowing it to manifest more effortlessly in your life. During this process, it is also helpful to use visual aids if they assist you in focusing. For instance, you might write your affirmations on cards and place them where you can see them throughout the day. Each time you glance at them, let them serve as a reminder of your intent and your connection to the affirmation. This repetition reinforces the message you are sending to your subconscious mind. It's important to approach this practice with patience and persistence. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. The seeds you plant today might take time to grow, but rest assured that they are taking root. Trust in the process and remain consistent in your practice. Each day you reaffirm these positive statements, you are building a foundation for a miraculous transformation in your life. Consider integrating affirmations into your daily routine. Perhaps, after your morning affirmations, you could repeat them at different times of the day, during a break at work, before a meeting, or even as you prepare for bed. This constant reinforcement helps to anchor the affirmations in your subconscious mind, ensuring that they influence your thoughts and actions throughout the day. As you engage in this practice, observe how your thoughts and feelings begin to shift. You may notice a subtle change in your perspective, a newfound sense of peace, or even unexpected opportunities presenting themselves. These signs are indications that your affirmations are having a positive effect. Think of them with gratitude and continue to nurture this growing connection with the affirmations you are practicing. Affirmations can also be tailored to specific goals or desires you have. If you are working towards a particular objective, create an affirmation that aligns with that goal. For example, if you seek to improve your career, you might affirm, "I am achieving great success in my professional endeavors." Let this statement guide your actions and decisions, infusing them with the energy of success and accomplishment. Additionally, affirmations are not just about personal desires, they can also be used to enhance relationships and interactions with others. An affirmation like, "I attract positive and supportive people into my life," can help you cultivate meaningful connections and foster a positive social environment. As you affirm these positive traits, you align yourself with the kind of people and experiences you wish to attract. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity and accessibility. They do not require special tools or elaborate techniques, just your presence and intention. By dedicating a few moments each day to this practice, you are tapping into a profound power that lies within you. This power is not separate from you, it is an integral part of your being, waiting to be harnessed and directed towards your desires. As you continue to immerse yourself in the practice of morning affirmations, you may find that incorporating gratitude into your affirmations enhances their power. Begin each day by acknowledging the things you are grateful for, no matter how small. This practice of gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already possess, creating a fertile ground for further blessings. You might say, "I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me, and I welcome even more into my life." This simple yet profound shift in perspective can transform your experience, allowing you to attract more of what you appreciate. Another effective approach is to visualize your affirmations as if they are already manifesting. Picture yourself living the reality you are affirming with vivid detail. If your affirmation is about achieving success, imagine yourself in that successful scenario, experiencing the sights, sounds, and emotions associated with it. Visualization helps to bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome by creating a mental image that aligns with your affirmations. The more real and detailed your visualizations, the more powerful their impact will be on your subconscious mind. Consider creating a personal mantra that resonates deeply with you. A mantra is a short, powerful statement that you repeat to reinforce your affirmations. For example, you might use a mantra like, "Every day, in every way, I am becoming more successful and fulfilled." Repeating this mantra throughout the day, particularly during moments of doubt or challenge, helps to anchor your affirmations in your daily experience. It serves as a reminder of your intentions and keeps you aligned with your goals. Another beneficial practice is to write down your affirmations in a journal. Journaling allows you to track your progress and reflect on the changes that occur as a result of your affirmations. Each day, write your affirmations as if they are already true, and include a few sentences about how you feel as you embody them. This practice not only reinforces your affirmations but also helps you to stay focused on your desired outcomes. Over time, you'll be able to look back and see the growth and transformation that has taken place. Engaging in mindfulness meditation can also complement your affirmation practice. Spend a few minutes each day in meditation, focusing on your breath and allowing your mind to settle. During this time, gently introduce your affirmations into your awareness. The calm and clarity achieved through meditation enhances your ability to connect with your affirmations on a deeper level. It creates a space where your intentions can be more readily received by your subconscious mind. In conclusion, the practice of morning affirmations is a powerful tool for creating miracles in your life. By starting each day with heartfelt affirmations, you set a positive tone for the hours ahead and align yourself with the forces of creation. This simple practice can lead to profound changes, bringing abundance, love, and joy into your life. As you continue this practice, remain patient and persistent, trusting in the process and the power of your words. May your mornings be filled with the light of possibility, and may your affirmations unfold into the miracles you seek. As you embark on this practice, you hold the key to unlocking the extraordinary potential within you. Think of this opportunity, and watch as your life transforms in ways you might never have imagined. If you found value in this practice and the insights shared today, consider supporting our channel. Your engagement helps us continue creating valuable content that inspires and guides others on their path. You can like this video to show your appreciation and help others discover these transformative techniques. If you haven't yet, subscribing to the channel will keep you updated with more content designed to assist you in unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. Feel free to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this practice. By spreading the word, you not only help others discover these powerful affirmations but also contribute to a ripple effect of positive change. Your support is instrumental in helping us reach more people and make a meaningful impact. Engaging with the content by leaving comments allows us to connect with you and understand your experiences with the affirmations. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing about the positive changes you're experiencing. Don't hesitate to let us know how these practices are influencing your life and what other topics you'd like us to cover. Also, consider clicking the notification bell so you never miss an update. This will ensure that you are always informed about new videos and content that can support your journey. Staying connected means you can continually benefit from new insights and strategies to further enhance your personal growth. Your participation is crucial in fostering a space where we can all share, learn, and grow together. Each like, comment, and subscription helps build a supportive environment where we can explore new techniques and ideas for personal development. Thank you for being a part of this journey and for contributing to our shared mission of growth and discovery. By incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine and supporting our channel, you are making a powerful commitment to your personal development and well-being. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing this journey with you, providing valuable content and insights to help you unlock your full potential.